Welcome to the Grammar Challenge. Which tense fits the sentence, I my homework already? The correct answer is have finished. Present perfect is used for completed actions with a result now. Which tense fits the sentence, she here since 2020? The correct answer is has worked. Present perfect is used with since for unfinished time. Which tense fits the sentence, they for 30 minutes? The correct answer is have been waiting. Present perfect continuous shows ongoing actions. Which tense fits the sentence, we this movie before? The correct answer is have seen. Present perfect is used for life experience. Which tense fits the sentence, he all day so he is tired? The correct answer is has been studying. Present perfect continuous shows duration and result. Which tense fits the sentence, I'd never eaten sushi? The correct answer is have. Present perfect is used with never. Which tense fits the sentence, she her keys so she can't enter? The correct answer is has lost. Present perfect shows present result. Which tense fits the sentence, we English for 5 years? The correct answer is have been learning. Present perfect continuous shows duration. Which tense fits the sentence, he 3 emails this morning? The correct answer is has sent. Present perfect is used when time is not finished. Which tense fits the sentence, they the room yet? The correct answer is have cleaned. Present perfect is used with yet. Which tense fits the sentence, I too much today? The correct answer is have been working. Present perfect continuous shows temporary actions. Which tense fits the sentence, she already the report? The correct answer is has finished. Present perfect is used with already. Which tense fits the sentence, we here since 8 a.m.? The correct answer is have been waiting. Present perfect continuous is used with since. Which tense fits the sentence, he many countries? The correct answer is has visited. Present perfect is used for experiences. Which tense fits the sentence, they all their money? The correct answer is have spent. Present perfect shows completed action with effect now.